Hello, this is Eric Wamsley, Systems Engineer for Nutanix. Today we are going to take a look at Nutanix's new product called Nutanix Flow, which is microsegmentation for your virtualized environments. This is going to be part one, and we are just going to enable Flow today. First, let's verify what version of Prism Central we are running. On the top right, click the gear icon, and then on the new page on the left side under settings, select the sixth from the top option that says upgrade Prism Central, and you can see we are running version 5.11.1.1. Now get ready to take some notes. On the top right, select the question mark, then go to New in Prism Central, and select the button that says microsegmentation. A new window will appear, and it'll check your cluster to make sure you meet the requirements of Flow. And then it'll provide you some information, like letting you know I don't have a license yet, so I get 60 days of free trial, and that Prism Central will have an additional 1 gig of memory assigned. If you check the checkbox and then hit OK, the Flow services will be started and enabled, and Prism Central will be modified. While it's making those changes, let's go ahead and take a look at our licensing. On the top right, select the gear icon, and then on the far left, just above Upgrade Prism Central, there's the licensing option. If you select that, you can actually see our Prism Pro and Flow licenses are there. Both of them are in the trial period. Since we just enabled Flow, 60 days from when I recorded this video would be December 31st. And on the top right, you can see the flashing tasks icon. If we click on that, we can see all of the microsegmentation components have finished. So let's take a look and make sure it's actually there. On the top left, click the hamburger menu, go to policies, then security policies. And we can see that the default quarantine policy is there. And we can now go ahead and create security policies, create categories, and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Check out my website, ewams.net, or go to my YouTube channel to watch out for other videos in the Flow series that I'll be releasing soon. Thank you. Have a good one.